Today we'll be getting started with the NFC Shield from Adafruit. It's perfect for all of your RFID and other near-field communications projects. Like many of our kits, the NFC Shield requires just a little bit of soldering. All of the surface mount components have already been picked and placed, but you need to attach some header pins in order to nest it onto your Arduino. I'm going to use stacking headers since the NFC Shield doesn't use very many pins, and I might want to put another shield on top of it. I'm using a little bit of masking tape to hold the header pins in place before flipping the board over to solder them on. Much like soldering an IC, you should use a couple anchor pins on the ends in case you need to reposition the strip of headers. Then you can go ahead and fill in all the rest, without the help of the masking tape. We worked really hard on the layout and antenna for the NFC Shield so that you could read tags from the maximum possible distance away. That's about 4 inches. See how the antenna doesn't have any electronics inside it, and it doesn't even rest on top of the Arduino board at all. In order to program some tags, plug in your USB cord and set a tag on top of the antenna. You can download the Arduino library from GitHub. Open up the format sketch and load it onto your Arduino. Open the serial monitor running at 115/200 baud, and follow the instructions on screen to program your tag. Since I can program the tag with a URL, an email address, and many other types of information, I'm going to use mine as a virtual business card and put it in the back of my Hackerspace passport. By default, the sketch programs a URL, but we've provided lots of examples for other protocols, and all you need to do is uncomment the one you want to use. So here I'm going to program an email address by uncommenting the email prefix. Near-field communication is an extension of RFID, and many phones come equipped, usually used for cashless payment, but you can see here that I can read the tag I just wrote with any NFC phone. Since you put the information in the sketch, you can program cards rapid-fire style by just hitting the Enter key and changing out the tag. This is great for when you want a lot of the same thing if you're making RFID-enabled posters or business cards to give away. And remember that because I used stacking headers, I can add another shield on top of the NFC Shield, like this wave shield for audio output. You can learn more about the NFC Shield at adafruit.com, and please show us your NFC projects. You can leave a video response, and don't forget to subscribe.